So I'll be administering a vaccine today, and I just want to let you know that most patients don't experience any side effects, but some people might have a small fever afterwards.
Well now, what's happened here? Can you guess what shouldn't have been done in this situation? Yes, think hard. What did you see in this scene? That's right, eye contact. Always be sure to speak directly to the client when using an interpreter. It is a sign of respect and maintains conversational dignity. Let's see how this should be handled.
So we're going to be administering a vaccine today. Most patients don't have any adverse side effects, but some patients do experience a small fever.
Hoy le vamos a dar una vacuna a su niño. Hemos notado que muchos de estos vacunas no causan efectos secundarios en su niño.
Well done. Very well done. Now let's take a look at another situation.
Can you tell them they may experience some soreness at the injection site? Oh my, I absolutely adore that watch you're wearing.
Wow, I bet you can see what went wrong here. Any guesses? I'm sure I don't need to direct your thoughts for you to see the wrong side of this interaction. That's exactly correct. You should always avoid asking interpreters to tell them this or tell them that, and you should never engage in unrelated side conversations with the interpreter during a client visit.
So you may experience some soreness there at the injection site. That's where I gave you the shot, and that's completely normal.
Es totalmente normal sentir un poco de malestar en el área donde pusieron la inyección durante la mañana de hoy.
Okay, that's good.
Great job! I think we've only got one more lesson to cover.
I'd like to review some information before the vaccination is administered. First, for patient edification, this vaccine has been determined to be safe through intensive testing and development, including but not limited to clinical trials that included thousands of volunteers from a wide variety of backgrounds conducted during development. It has also been approved by the FDA. This vaccine is shown to provide protection to all ages and demographics for all known variants of the disease. Vaccination is strongly recommended for all individuals, including those currently pregnant, breastfeeding, attempting to get pregnant, or potentially becoming pregnant in the future.
Well, that was certainly a mouthful. I might not have caught everything the staff person was saying, but I'm sure you all did, right? No? I wonder what went wrong. Oh, you're right. You need to make sure to speak at a normal pace and pause at appropriate intervals so the interpreter has time to interpret for your client. That's a great point too. You should avoid using technical language or jargon when it can be avoided. Plain language is best. Let's take a look at what this interaction ought to be.
I'd like to tell you about this vaccine before we start, okay?
Me gustaría darte información sobre la vacuna antes de empezar. ¿Está bien?
Okay, great. The FDA approved this vaccine. It is safe for all age groups.
Fantástico. La Federación de Drogas y Alcohol ha aprobado esta vacuna para todos los grupos de edades.
Great. It also works against all variants, and those are the different kinds of the disease that are out there.
Lo bueno de esta vacuna es que funciona para todas las variantes, que es las clases de la enfermedad que está allá afuera.
Okay, entiendo.
And that's how it's done, folks. Thanks for taking time to review what we should and shouldn't do during our appointments with interpreters. It's absolutely critical that we understand the importance of respectful, culturally competent, and linguistically appropriate care. Be sure to use your new skills at your next appointment. And remember, the power is yours.